welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to take you into Dollar General with me right there to do some in-store couponing. These deals are for January 20th through the 26th, specifically focusing on that 5 off 25 that we get again this Saturday, and we it came in the ad as well. So what that means is that there's a physical paper ad, should be like right when you walk in, like on a stack of magazines and stuff. There's a free ad you can take, and there's a 5 off 25 coupon in the ad that you can use as well. Otherwise, you can use the one on the app or the one at the bottom of the receipt. I would suggest using a paper one because sometimes the digital one does not work and you do not want to risk that. So there's some pretty great deals. I have some breakdowns, of course, listed down in the description box below, but watch this video so you can know the details of that and I will help you out. And I will say that this video is going to be very helpful if you are just beginning couponing at Dollar General. I have a specific beginner's breakdown if this is your first week to get you stocked up on a little bit of everything: toilet paper, paper towels, a laundry, something for baby, maybe like a grocery item or something. So make sure you check that out if you are new here and you don't want to like risk anything and risk any coupons going AWR, and they're all digitals, of course. So let's just get into the store and get into this couponing. So the Scott paper towels, the 6 roll, are on sale for $4.50 this week, and there's a $2 off 2 digital coupon as well as a $1 off 1 digital coupon, so you can mix and match with those. The Charmin Essentials, the 6 count, are always priced at $3.95, and there's a $1 off 1 digital, making that $2.95, and I just included this in case you need like a filler item or just something to start out with your beginner's breakdown. The Always Infinity pads, the 26 count, are always priced at $3, and there's a $2 off 1 digital coupon, making that just $1, and this is a great filler item as well. And then the extra laundry detergent, it's the 150 ounces. It's originally priced at $5, but it's at $3.95 this week. So if you need something to start out your stockpile with, there's a $1 off 1 digital coupon, just making that $2.95. And there's a bunch of different scents. This like tropical paradise, smelled really nice, and the lavender, and this one has OxyClean, which is a name brand. And the Febreze has a deal where you spend $12, you can save $2 instantly at the register. So if you get 2 of these Febreze refills at $5, there's a $5 off 2 digital coupon. That would make your total $10. And then you can get 1 of these Febreze Air products for $3, and that would make your total $13. So you'd subtract the $2 from the instant savings, the $5 from the 5 off 2 coupon, and a $1 off 1 for the Febreze Air. Now these Airwork oil warmers are out because they were such a great deal last week, but they look like this, and there's a free coupon on the app just making those free. And this isn't anything crazy, but I just wanted to let you know that they do sell Huggies here for $8.50, and there's a $2 off 1 coupon making those $6.50. I had to get some of those tonight. I always share this deal because I know people need diapers sometimes. So sometimes if you look around at this DG Baby brand, you'll find that there's a $1 off 1 Peely coupon. So off of $5.50, it will make them $4.50. So you could just look around and peel off the sticker and hand that to the cashier, and they could scan that, and it always works for me. So that is what I found out a couple weeks ago, actually. And this is a Dollar General brand. It's comparable to Dove, I assume, but it's $3.50, and there was a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making that $2.50. So it includes the baby lotion and the baby wash. So there's a great Suave deal this week. There's a coupon on the app for save $2 when you spend $6 in Suave products. So you're gonna get 2 of these Suave Professionals at $3 each, and then you can use the 2 off 6 digital coupon. And there's also a $1 off 1 paper coupon that came in the 1/6 Retail Me Not. That would make your total $2 or $1 each. So there is a Garnier deal as well, where if you spend $10 in the Garnier or L'Oreal products, you can save $3 instantly. And there are coupons for L'Oreal Paris and Garnier Hoblens and Garnier Fructis that came in the 1/6 Retail Me Not. So it's kind of an extensive breakdown, so just check down below in the description box for the instant savings breakdown that you can of course pair this with any 5 off 25, as long as your total before coupons is at least $3 more than $25, like I talked about in my previous Dollar General video. This is a repeat deal for last week on the Vaseline. So each one is priced at $3.75. And in the 1/6 Retail Me Not, there's a $2 off one paper coupon. And there's a digital coupon on Dollar General's app for save $2 when you spend $6 on Vaseline. So you're going to use the $2 digital and use 2 of the 2 off 1 paper coupons, and your total will be $1.50 or 75 cents each. And that will be in the breakdown if you need a little more help with that. And then for the big razors, the Silky Touch, these are priced at $3.35 at my store. So there's a $3 off of one digital coupon, just making those 35 cents. But if you want to be completely free, you could get these Big Sensitive, the 10 count for $2.95, and it'll just make those free. There's also a big coupon for $4 off one on my app. That would make these bad boys just $2. It comes with the Big Soleil and this Big Soleil Bella, the same price, and it also includes the Big Flex 3 and the Big Hybrid 4, and they're all priced at $6, so to make those $2 out of pocket. And this Excedrin deal, they are the 24 count, but they look like this. They are priced at $3.85 minus a $1.50 coupon, just to make them $2.35. And this Aleve Back and Muscle Pain, the 24 count, are priced at $4.25, and there's a 3 off 10 digital coupon for Bear products. So if you get one of these and then one of these Flintstone gummies, the 70 count, you could do the 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Flintstones, the 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Aleve, minus the 2 off 10 for the Bear products. It would make them $2.15 for both of those, or $1 and okay, so like $1.07 each. The Clover Valley brand a bottled water, the 10 ounces 15 count, are priced at $2.15 at my store, and there's a coupon for buy one get one free, so you could get one, use the coupon, and get each one for about $1.07. The General Mills cereal, like the 11 ounces to 13 ounces, are on sale for 3 for $6 this week, meaning they're $2 each, and there's a $1 off 2 digital coupon, making those $1.66 each. But if you have a Saving Star account, you can use the $1 off 2 rebate, making those just $1.33 or $4 for 3 boxes, which is a really great price. That's a great stock up price for cereal. So this is the first breakdown I'm showing you guys. This is the beginner's one. So you are going to get the Charmin 6 count toilet paper at $3.95 with the $1 off 1 digital coupon. You are going to get the Scott paper towel 6 roll for $4.50 using the $1 off 1 digital coupon. You're going to get the Baby Dove Dollar General brand baby wash for $3.50 using the $1 off. You're going to get the free Airwick for $1.50 Airwick warmer. And you are going to get one of the Bic razors. They're all priced at $6. Just make sure it's at $6. Using the 4 off 1 digital coupon for that. And then you're going to get one of these extra laundry detergents, the 150 ounces, the one that says 50% more loads, and you're going to use that $1 off 1 digital coupon. So your total, before you type in anything, is going to be $26.85. Then you're going to hand over your paper 5 off 25 coupon, and all the other digitals are going to come off when you type in your phone number. And then your total is going to be $8.85 before tax. So that would make each product $1.47, which is great because this paper towel is originally like $5, so that was a great deal for me. I'm just getting out of Dollar General, and man, it's cold in here, so I have to run my car. So if you hear that, I'm sorry, but if I don't, my insides would freeze. So I did the deals, and I showed you guys one beginner's breakdown, and then the others are just repeats of last week's breakdowns, which you can check out in my description box, and some of them are like mixed up here and there if I saw that there is a better deal this week. But as always, you can mix it up to what you want, and as always, I have the deals listed singular individually so that you can see which coupon will pair with what item, and you can mix that into any breakdown you would like. Now I will say that I did buy like $3 or $4 worth of stuff while I went in there. I don't know if I didn't get to the threshold for it to print me off a 5 off 25 coupon at the bottom of my receipt, so it just looked like this because it was so short. So I don't know if they're not printing them on the bottom because we have the ad coupon, but it looks like this. It just says 5 off 25 on the ad. I accidentally grabbed like 3 or 4. I just grabbed one. I thought I was grabbing one, but I was in a hurry. So if you want one, I got them all. So I would suggest grabbing one of these for sure, just in case you don't want to go in a couple days before Saturday and buy something to get the coupon. So grab one of these for sure, cut it out or rip it out, whatever, and then use that as your coupon. So it's cold. So that was it for my video, you guys. Thank you for watching, and please share this with anyone who needs help couponing at Dollar General. I think this is very helpful, and the breakdown I have listed is something that I would have wanted, and I did find in my other favorite YouTubers videos of how to start couponing and not be so scared and not be so, you know, nervous about typing your phone number, because it's really not that scary, and you know, you just need to hold your ground and people will most likely help you out. So that's it for the video. Please like this video if you like my couponing videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Heck yes, please subscribe to my channel because I'd love to have you here. And that's it for this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.